I've been teaching IT in the Philippines for years now. And every semester, I see the same pattern. Students who graduate with honors but can't build a simple CRUD app. Students who passed every quiz but freeze during interviews. Students who have certificates from boot camps, from online courses, from seminars, but don't actually know how to code. And it breaks my heart. Because these students worked hard. They did everything they were told to do. They passed the exams, submitted the requirements, paid for the certifications. And the system failed them. The Philippine IT education system has a dirty secret, and I need to talk about it. Because the data is clear, the Philippines has the highest AI skills shortage in the world. We have a $40 billion IT-BPM industry crying for talent. And we are not preparing our students for it. I'm an IT professor, and this is the harsh truth about Philippine IT education. Here's the ugly reality. According to the Global Tech Skills Gap Report, the Philippines, Taiwan, and Chile experience the highest shortage of AI skills in the world. Not somewhere else. The Philippines. Right now. We have a massive IT-BPM industry. Over $40 billion. Hundreds of thousands of jobs. And we cannot fill them with local talent. Companies are hiring from India, from Vietnam, from Eastern Europe. Because our graduates are not ready. And whose fault is that? Our curriculum is outdated. Our approach is stuck in the memorization era. We teach theory but not practice. We teach syntax but not problem solving. We teach individual assignments but not team collaboration. We teach coding but not debugging. We teach for exams but not for real life. And the gap is getting worse. AI is not coming. AI is here. The industry has already transformed. But our classrooms? They look the same as they did 10 years ago. Same textbooks. Same exercises. Same focus on recall instead of creation. We're preparing students for a job market that no longer exists. And our students are the ones paying the price. Let me show you what I see every semester. Two types of students. Student 1 follows the curriculum exactly. Attends every lecture. Memorizes every slide. Passes every exam. Gets good grades. Graduates with honors. And then can't build a simple login page without copying code from the internet. Because nobody taught them how to actually build something. They were taught how to pass tests. Student 2, the self-taught one. Skips classes sometimes, but spends weekends building projects. Has a GitHub with real code. Has broken things and fixed them. Has deployed something, anything, to the internet. This student might have lower grades. But they can actually do the work. And guess which one gets hired? In the Philippine job market, the second student wins every single time. Not because companies don't value education. They do. But because when you have a stack of resumes from graduates who all have the same degree, the one who can actually build something stands out. And here's the thing that kills me, the self-taught student didn't learn more. They learned differently. They learned by doing. They failed in private so they could succeed in public. Our education system needs to stop rewarding memorization and start rewarding creation. We need project-based learning. We need real-world problems. We need students who leave our classrooms not just knowing how to answer exam questions, but knowing how to build things that work. So here's my message. And I'm speaking to students, to educators, to parents, to everyone who cares about the future of Philippine tech. Our education system needs to change. Not incrementally. Fundamentally. We need to stop teaching to the test and start teaching to the job. We need to embrace AI in the classroom, not ban it. We need project-based portfolios instead of exam scores. We need industry partnerships that actually prepare students for real work. But while we're waiting for the system to change, and it will take time, here's what you can do right now as a student. Build something this week. Not next semester. This week. A simple website. A basic API. A Python script that does something useful. Put it on GitHub. Share it. Because in the Philippines, the difference between getting hired and staying unemployed is not your degree. It's not your grades. It's whether you can prove you can build. The Philippine IT industry is $40 billion and growing. The opportunities are massive. But they won't be handed to you. You have to build your way in. I'm an IT professor. Subscribe for the stuff your syllabus doesn't cover. And tell me in the comments, what's one thing you wish your school taught you? I want to hear your story.